Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to show you how to buy clothes on Pinterest. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Pinterest app with your account. Make sure you're logged in so you can save your favorite finds and easily access them later. Step 2. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll begin your shopping journey by exploring different styles and trends. Step 3. In the search bar, type clothes or a specific term like summer outfit. Being specific helps narrow down your results to exactly what you're looking for. Step 4. Choose one clothing item from the search results. Scroll through the pins until you find something that catches your eye. Step 5. Tap on the Visit Site option to be redirected to the site where the clothing item is sold. This takes you directly to the retailer's page to check sizes, colors, and prices. Step 6. Complete your purchase on the external website. Follow the retailer's checkout process to finalize your order. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.